Rebel canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days.
Y'all have fun today.
He didn't know about that.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Oh, you already know it. Yeah, you forget what you ordered sometimes, and you get it, and then you see the box. You go,
It's a mystery box.
I remember now, though, and it's so exciting. It is exciting. It's under there. It is under there.
Take screws. Oh, you did! You ordered the tortilla press!
I did.
Oh, I'm excited now.
I know, I've been wanting that.
Oh, and it's a real
To
one.
make big ones.
Oh, yes. All right, so we got to put the
Tortilla
screws
press.
in, and comes with some
Parchment
liners.
Yeah, it's parchment paper
nice.
you can use on it. Cool, huh?
Very cool.
Yeah, I decided I really want to make tortillas. I really like them. They're good. And it
Oh, we
just
love
kills
those.
me.
Your homemade tortillas were 100 times better than the
No,
ones
it
in
hurts
the
my
store.
shoulders. It just
We'll
can't
help you.
seem
You
to do
you
it.
make them, and we'll.
Well, now pressing them's not going to be that bad, I don't think.
I'm
Never
sure you can
know.
get Sawyer to help.
We'll all love
Yeah.
it.
Save the cardboard box for the garden.
Absolutely. Get it cut now.
And here is the tortilla press, all put together. It's one nut and bolt and 2 screws. And then it has the sizes marked on it. Comes with the parchment paper and full instruction sheet. And the link will be in the bottom of the video on where you can buy this off of Amazon. But there's our Amazon unboxing of the day. I got 2 more unboxings to do this week. Might be a week of unboxings, but we'll get you a video on using the tortilla press. Hey, be sure you're subscribed, because sometimes YouTube does some funny things with that. And be sure to hit the like button on your way out. Thanks.